Well, hey there. This is Brian Zink here from Surf City Financial Group. And I really want to thank you all for attending our Social Security Maximization Workshop at the Huntington Beach Library back on August 28th. We really had a lot of fun doing that. I appreciated all the questions and the back and forth. It was a lot of fun. Now, if you have not done so already, be sure to schedule your Social Security strategy session below this video. You can choose to come to our office, or we can set up a meeting online if that works better for you. And during this meeting, we will review your option for maximizing your Social Security payouts, calculate your income shortfall in retirement, and discuss strategies for optimizing your retirement income. We'll also be sure to get you a free PDF copy of our book when you come in. We really look forward to meeting you and continuing the conversation. Thank you very much and talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.